Beautiful to see metals retracing towards the levels which we had expected earlier in the day. With the Asia and Europe session first update, I have mentioned that gold is aiming towards 2650-60 zone and silver is also moving towards 30-60-30-80. What has happened? Achieving the zone, it is trying to stabilize. So what can we expect with the US session? Can we expect a further up move here in gold and silver, or it is going to retrace and drop again? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and precision. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. What's happening with gold? See, I mentioned earlier in the day, see, it has stabilized here for a while and now it is looking forward to shoot here. And I have mentioned one more thing earlier in the day. See, look at the move here, at least 50% it must try to move towards, and it has come towards the next resistance zone 2648.50 and 2660 zone. This is going to be the prime resistance zone for the day, because moving beyond this is where we are looking forward to good bullish momentum, which can in fact take it towards 2676 or in fact 2684-87 as well. But if you look at the movement here right now, what is happening? After a rise, it is retraced and it is now shying away from the highs at 2654.55. So now once it trades beyond 2654.55, stay bullish, and we will look forward to the next target at 2658.60, and beyond 2658.60 is where the bulls are waiting. We can look forward to further up move here, but I see 2658.60 is going to be the prime resistance for the day, because beyond this we can definitely look forward to 70.72, 76.78 and then 84.87 as well. If you look at the move, what is happening? Notice this drop and retracing here, and yes, it is coming out of this bearish channel as well. Now if you look at the stochastic, this has hit the highs, now trying to look downwards, while the MACD is consistently on the up move, looking upwards. RSI is looking upwards as well. On the 2-hour charts, straight bullish candles on the 2-hour charts here, you can see this, and this is the fourth one in succession here. And now if it stays now beyond 2654.56, 55.56 rather, I will say, with the coming candle, you can definitely look forward to further up move here. And notice this, the support levels are now going to be the resistance, and thus be careful till 2660 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is back to overbought, while MACD, after retracing here, it has crossed over, it is trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. Good sign for the bulls here. The RSI is rising as well, again a good sign. On the 3-hour charts, now on the 3-hour charts, this is a slight concerning point, because see, after straight bullish candles, it is showing a reversal here. Thus, unless and until it breaks beyond 2655 levels, you cannot expect that we are looking forward to a breakout. But yes, once it breaks out beyond 2655 and then 2660 levels, you can say now again another bullish candle will be seen, which is going to take it towards 72, 76, 78 or higher levels. If you look at the formation, notice that it is consolidated enough, and see what it has done. It has formed a bottom, divide this into two, and now see, this is the retracement here. Moving averages also, now it is trading above the 20-50-100 period moving average. This is a very good sign for the bulls here. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD has crossed over here, trading with little divergence, only couple of candles away. It can continue to rise from here. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4, the observation is similar here on the 4-hour charts. Now see, on the downside, now a very good support is created at 2630 levels. So first it need to break below 2640.38. That is going to be the first support zone, then 2630.32. If these two levels are taken, then you can say now gold is reversing and you can look forward to a crash. Because see, if you notice, it is possible for it to drop, retrace, and now if it moves below 2630, 2620 zone, it is looking forward to another round of crash. Possibility is there that it may try to limit itself within this channel here. So this is something you should watch out for, though I'll be further looking forward to an up move here. But right now, till 2660, you have to be extremely cautious for the day. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD is trying to converge. Remember, it has not yet crossed over. We have to wait for it to cross over. That will be the confirmation of further up move. RSI rising, good sign for the bulls here. Coming to the daily. On the daily chart, similar observations, second green candle in succession. And we did discuss that, see, one red candle, then obviously it will move like this, come towards this zone at 2680, and at that point we will see how it behaves, because see what it will do, one red candle retracement, and then again the bears will follow here. So yes, right now I will say it is retracing, not reversing. A reversal confirmation for the near term for gold is about 2750 only. Till 2750 it is under, you can say, bear grip only. Now if you look at the daily chart, see, before we move to further analysis, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a safe free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charge, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now what happened today, with the rise in gold, it has moved close to 20 period moving average, and that is why also I say it is very very important for it to now trade beyond 2655, 56. And once it trades beyond this, see, it is possible that it can continue to rise towards this zone. First should be at around 2660, then 74, 70, 72, then 76, 78, and then 84, 87 levels are possible here. Though looking at the move, it appears a bit hesitant here with the bulls out there. The stock stick has dropped. The MACD is still in green. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is rising. So looking at this, very simple. Buy at 2655 levels, and 55, 56 should be a good resistance. Then 60 levels will come into picture. The first target beyond 2660, ideally I will be looking forward to 2670, 72, 2676, 78, and then 2684, 87 levels should come into picture. On the down, a selling entry today in gold is only and only if you see it trading below 2638.40. Till 2638.40, I will not recommend you to sell. Below 2638.40 is where you can expect further bearishness. We can aim for 2630.32. First target zone, 2624 second, and then 2618 third. If 2618 is taken, stay short for 2610, and below that it is going to crash hard. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. See, silver on the hourly charts, what it did is drop, and it is under retracement. It is trading in this channel. I have shared several times earlier. It has to break beyond 3080, $31 zone, which is a sign of reversal. Right now I can see it is shying away from breaking beyond this zone, and see today it is trying to trade in this. After the rise it has retraced, and again finding the support from 3040, trying to bounce back here. Now today till 3030 levels, I will not recommend you to sell, as we have discussed earlier in the day. The stock I stick at the bottom here. The MACD is still retracing. It is not yet, it is on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. It may start to diverge and turn bullish from here. Possibility is there. RSI has dropped, coming to 2. Now on the 2 hour charts, remember the point. See, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. This is how it is been trading here. It will require just one candle here, which is going to be a breakout candle, which is going to take it in fact towards 3080, $31 zone here. Now on the upside, yesterday also we have seen 3070 as the resistance, and today also 3070 provided as the resistance. Beyond this, 3085 should come into picture, and beyond this, $31 levels are the next targets here. If you look at the move, see, I'll still wait for it to now break beyond. In fact, even if you see it staying beyond 3055, why it expect 3070, 3085? Very smaller resistances, or resistance at very small gaps, but yes, these are good levels, and this is why I am saying till 3085 and 31 at least you should be very very careful. The stochastic has dropped here. MACD under retracement and rise. RSI flat, coming to 3 hour. Now look at 3 hour chart. Similar observation. Remember, after 3 bullish candle, 1 bearish candle, and now on the downside we have to wait for it to trade below 3030. That is the only level below which we can treat this as bearish. And see, after one reversal it can still break up. It can still give you a breakout on the upside. So wait for it to confirm this, and that is why I say beyond 3055, 3060 we can see slight bullishness here. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is rising after the crossover. It is good sign for the bulls. The RSI is running flat on the 4 hour chart. Now notice what's happening on the 4 hour charts. After drop, red green, then the breakout, then the sideways movement, then a rise, and immediately it has erased all the gains here. Now it appears there is a greater resistance here on the upside from the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands, and then the 50 period moving average. So this complete zone till 38.85 is a greater resistance for silver. It has to break past this barrier, and then you can say now silver has reversed. Now why it could reverse? If you look at the movement, divide this, find this out, that you will see that silver is trading in the box. The highs at around 31.50, the lows at around 30. It has to come out of the daily charts. And if you look, the 4 hour chart, see, you will also get that it was trading with divergence. It is moved towards 20 period, finding the resistance here, while the indicators have also come towards comfortable levels. And interestingly, the MACD has crossed over for the buys here, good sign for the bulls. Coming to the day, now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, this is the second one after the drop. It is under retracement, but I can see a double top in making here. But yes, it is still got room for further rise. You can see the resistance here very, very strong, and then towards 31. So see, ideally beyond 31, 31, 20, 25, and 31, 40, 53 levels, it needs to break. And once it break beyond these levels, it is going to turn bullish here. Why? You can see that it is right now staying with this lower highs, lower lows, modest bearish channel. Once it breaks out beyond 3150, certainly the bulls will be taking over here. Moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence, staying bearish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD almost flat here. It has crossed over for sell. The RSI is also flat. So looking at this, very simple. You can buy at 3055, 3060. Be careful at, see, if you're buying at 3055, be careful at 3070, 3085, and then 3105. Beyond this, 312025 should appear, and beyond that, 314050. So till 3150 levels, I will say be cautious, be alert. Do not treat this as bearish at least. And bullish, anyways, it is not there as long as 3150 is not taken. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3030 only. Below this, you can expect 3015, 3020 at the first, $30 levels at the second, 29.7580 at the third. Remember, once it drops below 29.7580, it is not going to come back. We are looking forward to a massive breakout candle here, though the movement right now is not supportive of such a greater decline today. So take your positions accordingly. Now, this is all from my side for gold and silver. And looking at this, do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And do join the mentorship batch and the signals channel. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.